Okay, as you'll see on one of the selfies, I got to meet B Savage. She was disc jockey, not disc jockey, I don't know what you call those people that talk on the radio. LAV, GRD, ZZM, all those. This is Carl's old car. Curious what size engine it is. Mopar. I'll have to find out. I gotta find my buddy Brian.
Yeah.
What size motor is it?
That's a crate motor, 360, the Magnum.
Oh, okay.
I got pictures of that when I did it. That they bring you that big blue crate.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's a big old crate. It's blue. You open it up. It's all sitting on a nice stand inside of it.
Yeah. Cool. That's awesome. A friend of mine had one like this, but it was a 380 something?
383.
383, yeah. He had straight pipes on him. This is in the 70s, right? It was so nasty loud.
Yeah.
And it was his driving car. You know, day driver. It's crazy. Yeah, he got busted many times. The sound. Nice. Thank you, man. It's in beautiful condition, guys. Perfect. Carl's was red. I'm pretty sure it was a satellite too. I gotta try to find Brian. I have no idea where that boy went to. Where are you? I think he's going to want to get some lunch. Le Mans, Pontiac. Yeah, oh, there goes. Oh, that's another Pontiac. It's a beautiful Saturday, guys. Starting to get used to these mid-engines. If that is a mid-engine, I think it is. Yeah, it is. Neighbor. Oh, he fired this thing up. Robert Forrest, there's your old car. The old DeLorean. Sweet. Kind of repeating myself here. This is the third time around. There's a cop car over there. There's a nice Camaro. The Type LT. This is the one I had. Except mine was older than that one. Pretty much the same color. I think mine was a little bit darker gray. I love the growl on that thing. So there is another show at 2 o'clock. A lot of Corvettes, a lot of Mustangs. So this is a Fiero here, guys. It's got a different engine in that thing. He's saying it looks a lot like the Ferrari, I believe. So I'm gonna have to do a comparison. I kind of like the looks of this car, except if you remove the big ol' ugly, wing back here, I think it'll look a lot better. Big fat tires on this thing. Guy. That might be the owner right there. Let's see. Is this your car? No?
It's on though.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I thought for sure it's got to be one of you guys. What size motors this thing got in it?
I have no idea.
No idea?
I don't know much about the S2000. I'm imagining it's like a 2-liter.
2-liter?
It gets down, I know that.
That's it? Yeah.
Turbo 2-liter.
Turbo 2-liter. I call that one Dusty right there. He's blowing dust everywhere. That Camaro.
With the exhaust point down.
Yeah. Thing rocks, man.
Seen that guy's car, the Whipple?
There's D Savage, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, here's a Corvette again. Yes, buddy. Beautiful.
Yeah, that works out for the most part, I think.
Unbelievable, isn't it, Brian?
Yeah.
All these cars are just
So much stuff here.
yeah.
There's some really big variety.
Yes, all across the spectrum. Yeah.
I mean, there's some stuff here that, hey, I personally don't care much about.
Right. Yeah. Like a Rabbit, but because it's an old car, it's kind of cool, you know.
Yeah.
And I like the way it's parked in there. I'm gonna make a single shot. I'm gonna snag a picture from the video.
Yeah.
Okay, see this kid right here knows one of my nieces.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of want to watch it. It's a 409 in that thing. Did you eat yet?
I didn't.
Let's go get some lunch.
Okay.
It's on me because I just found some money laying around. Yeah, he's got air shocks or whatever you want, air ride, they call it, on that too.
You know what? That guy.
Yeah.
I wonder if that guy is the same one who has an ambulance with that chain.
Yeah, I know. Well, let's ask him when he drives by, because
I've seen a Chevy ambulance.
here.
Not here, no.
Okay,
it was somewhere.
because when I was here, it was here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You did see it? Okay.
Yeah.
And it had those same wheels.
Oh, really? We'll just ask him. Hopefully he goes this way instead of that way. If he goes that way, I'm going to say bye. Yeah, I love the looks of that thing. I'm just catching one second. She's so fine, my 409. So, you got an ambulance like this too or not this year? No? Because you were saying you saw an ambulance with those wheels exactly like that.
I think I saw him here one of those times.
Yeah, when I met you the last time, you were parked over there, and he was here. Yeah, cool. Thanks for bringing this beast in. This is one of my favorite years right here. Oh man, 409. What?
It's not that great. Don't look that close.
Well, no, it's hard. Yeah. Mine's the same way. Oh, nice. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks a lot, man. So they said there's another show coming up too in Hudsonville or something. But yeah, well, that's all rice burners.
Yeah.
So and now we're back to square one, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the Duster. That's where we started, and that's where we're leaving. So once again, guys, it was a very good, showing, in my humble opinion, for Grand Rapids. What's Grand Rapids known for, right?
There was at least 200 cars.
Oh man, easily. Yeah. Now there's a guy that did a drone, so he's gonna post that up sometime. So, all right, over and out, guys. See ya.